ROI4Presenter integration with HubSpot Calendar. Enter the Settings menu, lower left corner of the screen. In the menu that opens, find the Integrations item and in the Calendar link line, insert a link to your work calendar in HubSpot Calendar. Click Save Changes. Now, when creating a link to a presentation, a link to your personal work calendar will be automatically added. You can cancel the option to automatically insert calendar links at any time by deactivating it in the Personal Settings Integrations menu. You can also insert a link to the calendar manually for each specific presentation. On the left side menu, go to the My Presentations tab and create a link for the selected presentation. In the Link Settings window that opens, paste the link to your HubSpot calendar in the Link to Calendly field. After setting all other options, click Next to create a ready-made link. You can send this link to your customers. When the listener clicks on the link, they can book a meeting with you by clicking the Schedule Meeting button at the bottom of the interface screen.